This is how you literally make up to $150 per day with Cpagrip. Alright, so you come to this website. This website has a lot of Android games, right? A lot of people on Android cannot afford to pay for the paid version of the app. So on this website, you can download literally any Android games or apps for free. So if you come to this category and click on maybe arcade, alright, as you can see, there are a lot of games here. So if you click on this first game, right, we try to see where most of the traffic of this game comes from, and we go to Google Trends. So if you go to Google Trends and type in Hungry Dragon, and you want to make sure it's set to worldwide and this place is set to YouTube search. So if you come here, you can see where most of the traffic of this game comes from, right? You can see these are first world countries, right? And if you go back to your Cpagrip account and you click on offers, you see, or let's say New Zealand. So let's say New Zealand, for example, and we click on New Zealand, right? As you can see, most of the offers pay over $20 per completion. All right, so if we go to our calculator real quick and we say 22.48 times 7, as you can see, that is around $160 per day if you can get just 7 people from New Zealand. As you can see, they are the most people who search for this game on YouTube. All right, so without wasting any time, let me show you how to do everything. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using a game called Dead Effect, right? You can also search for any game you already have in mind. So and make sure you watch this video to the end so you get everything step by step. You don't make any mistake. So stick with me to the end of this video. All right. So the reason why I'm going to be using this game Dead Effect is because I have this game already on my Android, and this is one of my favorite games. So I play this game a lot. So the reason why I'll be using it as an example, I'm going to be showing you on my mobile phone how you need to do everything. All right. So once you come to this, once you click on the game, right? So let's set up the locker first before I show you the nitty-gritty of this method. So once you come here, you want to create a new Google site page. As you can see, I already made one, right? As you can see, it looks clean and good enough for the purpose of this method. So let me cancel this preview. So what you want to do is pretty simple. You want to click on new, Google site.new. Then you want to click on this blank, right? So basically what you want to do is you want to literally emulate this page as much as you can, right? So if you copy this and paste it, of course you want to align the text properly, right? Or you can just simply type it out, right? So for the purpose of this video, so I don't make it too long, I'm just going to leave it like this, but you want to adjust it properly, and then you want to change the image. So to do that, you can just go to google.com and search for the name of the game, and you want to click on images. And the reason why I don't want to use the image of this game, as you can see, it has a watermark of this website on it. So once I go to Google, right, I can just copy the image address. But if you are doing this on your mobile phone, you simply want to download the image from Google instead of copying the address, and then you click on upload, right? But for this, I'm just going to click on select image, click on by URL, and paste the link there and select. All right, let me change this text to white so it's readable. Yeah, and the text is white, it's readable. Of course, as I said, you want to make sure it's properly aligned. So I'm just doing this for the purpose of this video. So now the next thing, you want to have an image here. So you can just go to Google and find another good image of this game. So let's say this one, copy the image address, and then you want to double click on the screen. If you're on your PC, if you're on your mobile, you can just click on this images, and then I'll click on by URL and try to adjust the image and click on this on crop to make it fit perfectly. All right, okay, what we should have done is copy this first. So I'll copy this, go back here and click on this middle, add text, and paste in the text. As you can see, everything is looking perfect. So I want this to be all right. Now it's above this image. So the next thing we want to do is copy all of this, and then we double click again Alright, we pasted the text again. Then we'll go back to Google and grab more images. Let's say this one, and then double click. Alright, and we align the image. Alright, so that's what you need to do. Then at the end, you want to, at the end as it shows here, go to download page. So you're just going to scroll down and click on button and write download, and let's just put anything here, although we'll change it later. And you want to adjust it as you like, so it's okay. Like, you can also change the color if you want, but it's okay like this. So to change the color, all you need to do is come to theme and pick any color you like, right? But this color is okay. So the next thing you want to do now is you want to go to your Cpagrip account and go to URL file lockers. So click on create new, then agree, continue, and then you want to go to template and click on this particular template, then go back to general, and then you want to change this premium file size. You want to type in the name of the game. Alright, as you can see, it's going to reflect here, and the size of the game, if we go back to the original page, if you click on download page, you can see the size of the game is 1.49 gig. So you go back to our Cpagrip and change it to 1.49 gig, and you can leave everything as it is, right? And then change this place. After completion, this page will be unlocked. All right, and this is where you are going to make a decision. If you want them to go to this page, right? If you don't mind them finding out where the original game is, right? You can just link them to this link, right? If you link them to this link, they'll be able to download this game from this page. Or the second option you have is to download the game yourself, and then you can upload it to Google Drive, then copy the link and then paste it. So let's assume you don't mind them finding out where the real download page is. So you copy the link here. So once they complete the offer, they'll be automatically redirected to this place, to this page to download the game. Right? So once you have done that, just click on create. So now you've set up the locker. So now you actually go back to the locker and copy and get your link. Click on copy, and then you click on download, click on the pencil icon, and then you paste the link. So once they click on this download, they'll be taken to the locker page, right? So once they go to the locker page, so once they come here, they click on download, they'll have to complete an offer, right? Depending on how many offers you want them to complete. So once they complete that, they'll be either redirected to this page or any page you want them to be redirected to. All right, literally that's all you need to do. So how do you upload this game to YouTube? So literally, I'm going to show you how you're going to do it on my phone. So if you go on YouTube and you search, for example, if I go with the example I showed in the beginning of the video, which is this Hungry Dragon game, which is popular in New Zealand, all right, New Zealand, Denmark, Singapore, France, Netherlands. And those are not the only countries. As you can see, UK, Vietnam, all right, as you can see, a lot of other countries are also interested in this game, but they are mostly from first and second world countries, which their payouts are really high in Cpagrip, all right. And you don't need to use this for only Cpagrip. If you have an Hardwork Media account, you can also content lock this game on Hardwork Media as well, or any other CPA network. If you go on YouTube, if you're going with this example, as you can see, Hungry Dragon gameplay, as you can see, the game are getting a lot of views, and most of these videos are made a long time ago. All right, so you can actually target this keyword and rank on this first page, right? So, and also I must mention, as you can see, these people are not showing their faces in this game. All you need to do is just play the game, record the game while you are playing it, and then upload the game to YouTube, and then leave a link to your Google site page where they can download the game for free. All right, so that is all you need to do to start making money with this method. So if you find any value at all in this video, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next video.